Know Why presents What Happens When India Does Not Exist? Have you ever thought about what the Industrial Revolution, Pokémon and the Kardashians have in common? Without them, the world would be a much different place. Did you ever think that what would happen in a world without India? From breathtaking landscape to rich culture and traditions, from mouth-watering cuisines to stunning architecture, India has it all. Can you imagine the world without 1/6 of its population? With a population of 1.3 billion, India comprises 17% of the world's population. It is the biggest democracy in the world and also has the third largest economy. There's no country more diverse than India culturally, religiously and intellectually. What wouldn't have happened without India? Extraction and purifying of sugar. Do you like fancy cake and cookies? You will also have to thank India for your cavities and diabetes, as it was the first country to develop extraction and purifying techniques of sugar back in 350 AD, and ever since we have been adding it to our cooking and desserts in generous quantities, that is 20 kilograms per capita. Diamonds. India men know that sweets are not how you win a woman's heart, diamonds are. So guys, if you want to blame someone to spend thousands of dollars on an engagement ring, we Indians are the ones, as we were the first to mine those expensive rocks that makes your girlfriends happy. Festivals. Apart from diamonds and sugar, India is a country where the cities are engulfed by people during festivals like Holi, Diwali, Navratri and Onam, which are known to be big and colorful. In fact, the Holi festival inspired the famous Colour Run. Probably why India is considered as such a diverse country is due to multiple religious beliefs, traditions and practices. The Indian subcontinent is the birthplace of 4 the major religions: Hinduism, Jainism, Sikhism, Buddhism. Pentium chip. Do you miss your old computer with the Pentium chip? If yes, then you're not the only one. Did you know that till 2009, 90% of the computers ran on the Pentium chip, which was again developed by an Indian engineer and entrepreneur, Vinod Dam? He is also known as the father of the Pentium chip. Wireless communication. Can you think of owning a laptop without Wi-Fi? A laptop without Wi-Fi is like a pair of spectacles without the lens. Guess what? The father of wireless communication was also an Indian. Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose's contribution to the radio and microwaves optics gained him the title of Father of Radio Science by IEEE. So most of the world owes India for one of the most precious gifts we've ever received. Shampoo. Did you know that Indians also invented shampooing? The word shampoo comes from the Sanskrit word shampoo, which means massage, and us Indians have been massaging with herbs for years. Let's see some fun facts about India. A floating post office. India has the largest postal network in the world with over 1,55,015 post offices. A single post office on an average serves a population of 7,175 people. The floating post office in Dal Lake, Srinagar, was inaugurated in August 2011. Kumbh Mela gathering visible from space. The 2011 Kumbh Mela was the largest gathering of people with over 75 million pilgrims. The gathering was so huge that the crowd was visible from space. The wettest inhabited place in the world. Mawsynram, a village on the Khasi Hills, Meghalaya, receives the highest recorded average rainfall in the world. Cherrapunji, also a part of Meghalaya, holds the record for the most rainfall in the calendar year of 1861. Bandra Worli Sea Link has steel wires equal to the Earth's circumference, and also weighs as much as 50,000 African elephants. A true engineering and architectural marvel. The Indian national Kabaddi team has won all World Cups. India has won all 5 men's Kabaddi World Cups held till now and have been undefeated throughout these tournaments. The Indian women's team has also won all Kabaddi World Cups held till date. Science Day in Switzerland is dedicated to ex-Indian President, APJ Abdul Kalam. The father of India's missile program had visited Switzerland back in 2006. Upon his arrival, Switzerland declared May 26 as Science Day. Finally, we are proud of our cultural distinctiveness. We are proud to be the inhabitants of India. It is our duty to maintain its unique feature. We have to think beyond the petty interests and work for the broader goals of bringing prosperity and progress in society. Share your thoughts and comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and share with your friends and families, so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and remember to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.